Jim and Dana, we're back with Jack. I will warn you guys, this dog needs to be put on 100 when you get to a strange place. He gets himself all worked up, so it's going to take that to control, and he'll get better and better as time goes on. I mean, we've really just started taking him out, but I even had to bump the continuous a couple times at the beginning of the week because he had himself so hyped up at a strange place. So we really want him to stay on an even keel, not, you know, all overly excited when we get to a strange place. So I think we may be able to turn it down as we go. Oh, he's my good boy. And he's very grabby here. You know, he gets very frenetic, which I want you guys to understand goes with the same, you know, the frenetic eating of the food and everything. You know, that's kind of his temperament. He's not consciously doing that to be bad. You know, so I mean, we're going to, you know, just help him understand what we want him to do. We're not going to just be, you know, doing all these corrections to try to make him stop doing that, because it's not something he's consciously doing. Oh, he doesn't have care in the world. All right, so let's work him down here a little bit. So remember, I'm starting my pager slightly before. Jack, heel. He got real frenetic. Just went without thinking. Good. Okay, no. No. Down. He's got the good muscle memory on the down. The second he feels that, his head is strong. Oh, what a good boy. He's still way too frenetic up here. Oh. Heel. Down. So I'm probably using about 3 times more Nick as I'm using at the house with him. Good boy. No. Main thing is for you to just remain calm. You don't start yelling and down and getting all frustrated with him. Good. No. Good. We just get so excited. Heel. Heel. Oh, you're fine.
You're fine. I'm fine.
Yeah.
I saw her taking pictures.
Oh, well, we're waiting till he holds still.
Okay.
Now, yeah, the kooks that are out. What a beautiful background this is for our photographs. Anyway, so, good. I will tell you that he will see anything that he perceives as food on the ground and try to eat it. Good. So any gum or anything that's anybody stepped on, even a leaf, he thinks it's food. I'm going to go down this way and then come back. Heel. Good boy. Come on, good heel. Down. See what I mean? Good. Jack heel. Good. Heel. Down. Oh, what a good boy. Yeah, they think we're kooks. We think they're kooks too. Good boy. Good. So you're starting to calm down now, but you're still a little stiff, and I'm just, you know, maintaining my same little, you know, this is what we're going to do. I'm not getting mad, I'm not yelling, I'm not getting frustrated with him. I'm just making a nice even keel. All right, I'm going to go down this way and come back. And if they're real frenetic like this, a lot of motion is going to help with that instead of, too much trying to make them stay still. So, Jack, heel. Good. See what he's doing now? He's looking on the ground, down. I bet he was the type that would grab up any chicken bone he saw. Boy. So that's why I'm tap, tap, tapping. When I see his head starting to drop down, that's why I'm getting the tap, tap, tap. And he'll get more sensitive as time goes on, as the novelty of this wears off. Jack, heel. Heel. Down. Go, go, go. Down. Down. Oh, you're fine. Heel. Down. Good. Never wondered. So I think that mixture kind of started it. So again, I'm not going to just make, a huge deal over it. I want you guys to understand a lot of the little mistakes, especially at this stage, we're going to gloss them over. We're not going to make a big deal out of it, which is what people tend to do sometimes. Oh, they just gloss over the little mistakes. Right? We're looking at the bigger picture, so that's the most important thing. Heel. Good. Good. No, 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 no. Down. Just so you know, that's my dip set on 100. Good. Oh, he likes to find any little gum or anything on the ground. This boy. Go. Down. Good. Oh, no. Talk about can't turn around. Don't even look, because you know what's getting ready to happen. Down. Can't turn around. Down. Oh no, he's in training. We mustn't distract him. Down. No. Can't turn around without seeing that guy. But it never fails. I don't care what time of day I come here, day, night. Guy is there. Bye, you guys.